Yes, good afternoon, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today we are going to deal with a topic average in class 5. Average is nothing but a particular result obtained by adding several quantities together and dividing the total by the number of quantities. Average always denotes a single value, and quantity is nothing but a certain amount or a number. And when do we use average? Average is used to know the performance of a student in all subjects and to know the rainfall in 1 year. Rama. Average is used to know the temperature of a day and to know the score of a batsman in cricket and to know the performance of a class in each subject. In all these cases, we use average. And the formula for average is sum of quantities by number of quantities. And average denotes a single value. And in sum of quantities, all the addends should be of the same kind. In sum of quantities, different numbers will be added, and all those should be of the same kind. One should not be in centimeters, one should not be in meters, one in kgs, one in grams, like that it should not be. It should be of the same kind and same unit. So, average is equal to sum of quantities by number of quantities. This is the formula to be used to find the average of particular things or scores. To find sum of quantities, we have to multiply average into average and number of quantities. These are the two formulas to be used. Let us find the average of 5 numbers here: 32, 10, 24, 18, 46. We have to find the average of these numbers. For that, always use the formula sum of quantities by number of quantities. Sum is nothing but addition. You add all these 5 numbers: 32 plus 10 plus 24 plus 18 plus 46. The sum of these numbers is 130 here. Add like this. By number of quantities, how many numbers you are adding here? 5. So 130 by 5. Either you can divide 130 by 5 or you can cancel. If you divide also, 5 2s are 10, 3, 0, 5 6 are 30. 26 is the answer or the average. If you cancel, 5 2s are 10, 3 is left over, 30, 5 6 are 30. 26 is the average of these numbers. Yes, the ages of 4 boys are 18, 24, 19, 15 years, and find their average age. The ages of 4 boys are given and we have to find the average of their ages. So average is equal to here sum of ages by number of boys. So their ages 4 numbers are given: 18 plus 24 plus 19 plus 15. 18 years, 24 years, 19 years plus 15 years. By number of boys, how many boys' ages we are taking into account? 4. So this 18 plus 24 plus 19 plus 15 by 4. So the sum of these numbers is 76. 76 by 4 equals 9. 76 by 4 is equal to 19. Cancel. 4 1s are 4, 3 balance 36, 4 9s are 36. So the average age is 19 years. And in the next problem, the temperatures of 6 days are given like this: 49 degrees, 41 degrees, 38 degrees, 45 degrees, 32 degrees, 32 degrees, 36 degrees. So these are the temperatures of 6 days. And find the average temperature. The formula for average is sum of temperatures by number of days. So how many days temperatures are given? 6 days. That is number of days. Denominator should be 6. And sum of temperatures, all the temperatures should be added. 49 degrees plus 41 plus 38 degrees plus 45 degrees plus 32 degrees plus 36 degrees. The sum of all these temperatures is 204 degrees. That is, sum of the temperatures is 204 degrees. By number of days, 6. 204 by 6, that is 6 3s are 18, balance 2, 24. 6 4s are 24. So, 34 degrees centigrade is the average temperature of 6 days. The average of 6 subjects of a student is student is 96. Find the total marks. So children, what is given? Average of 6 subjects is given. Average is given and number of subjects is given. You have to find the total score of the student in all the subjects. So average is equal to 96. Number of subjects is equal to 6. So, what you have to find out? Total number of marks. Total number of marks is equal to how much? The formula for average is sum of total marks by number of subjects. Total score by number of subjects. But here we are given average and number of subjects. Total marks equals average into number of subjects. So 94 equals total by 6. But we want total marks. Total marks is equal to average into number of subjects. Sorry, 96 into 6. 96 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 56. So the total score of the student is 576. So average is given, number of subjects are given, and we can easily find out the total marks. Total marks is equal to average into number of subjects, that is 96 into 6, that is 576. And coming to the next problem, the average heights of six students is 145.5. Find their total height. Here also the same. Average is given, number of students is given. You have to find the total heights. Average is equal to 145.5 cm and number of students is equal to number of students is equal to 6. We have to find their total height. how much? Average is equal to total height by number of students. That is, substitute this. Average is 145.5. Total height we don't know, we have to find out. By number of students 6. Now we have to find total height. Total height is equal to, total height equals average into number of students. Average into number of students. Average is 145.5. Number of students is 6. So multiply these two. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30, 33. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8. So total height is 873.0 centimeters. So what is the total height? 873 centimeters. So here average is given, number of scores, number of students is given, and we can find the sum of the heights here. Let us go with another problem. The average rainfall of some months is of some months is 24 centimeters, and total rainfall is 192 centimeters. Find the number of months. Find the number of months. What is given? Average rainfall is given and total rainfall is given. Average is equal to 24 centimeters. Total rainfall is equal to 192 centimeters. Number of months equals to, we have to find out, that is to be found out. So average is equal to total rainfall by number of months. That is the formula. Now average is 24 centimeters. That is equal to total rainfall is 192 by number of months we need to find out. Number of months is equal to total rainfall by average. Number of months equals total rainfall by average. With the given information we have to find the number of months. Total rainfall by Average. Total rainfall is 192 centimeters and average is 24. So 192 by 24. 24 8s are 192. 24 1s are 24 8s are. So 8 is the number of days. This is the 192 centimeters is the total rainfall of 8 months, sorry. Total rainfall of 8 months, and average rainfall of 8 months is 24 centimeters. So number of months is equal to 8 months. This is the 8 months is the answer. So to find the average, sum of quantities by number of quantities. To find the sum of quantities, average into number of quantities. To find the number of months, total by average. These are the three formulas to be remembered to find average. Another problem, the average of 4 numbers is 64. If 44 is added to the result, if 44 is added to the result, then find the average. Average is equal to 64. Number of numbers is equal to 4 and total number is equal to, sum of the numbers is equal to average into number of numbers. 64 into 4, that is 256. For this result, 44 is added. So, result plus total result plus 44, that is equal to 256 plus 44. 256 plus 44 is equal to 300. Now, this is the sum of 4 quantities only, 4 numbers only. This 254 is sum of 4 numbers only, and we have added one more number 44. Then we have to find the average now. Average is equal to total sum of quantities by Shashank పడుతుందో లేదో చూడము. Number of quantities. Sum of quantities is here 300. After adding 44, 300. And first is 256 by adding 4 numbers. We have added one more number 44. So number of quantities should be 5, because 256 plus 44. This is 4 numbers plus one more number, 5. That is 5 6 are 30 followed by 1 0. 60 is the average of that. Yes, children, many problems are given in page number 85 and 85 to 88. You can complete these in the textbook, and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.